Hi, talking to you today about the stainless steel bowl set. So excited that the brand sent this to me because this is a 5-piece set and it comes with lids. And my collection was actually lacking some great mixing bowls with lids. So they each have their own lid. So you can see we have different sizes ranging from smaller to bigger to bigger. I love this little baby one here. I just think it's really cute and it's going to be so useful. Sometimes the smallest ones, I find that when you get them, you think, oh, I'm never going to use this, but those are the ones you use the most. So you can see they just gradually get bigger. They fit inside of each other, so easy to just stack and keep all together. There's this one, the bigger one, and this is the biggest one. Pretty big, right? This is gonna be great for when I make my bread because there's plenty of room in here to rise, and you know, I can use one of these smaller ones for the drier or the wet ingredients, whatever. So again, just really great set. It is again stainless steel, so easy to clean, easy to store, easy to have in your home, and it has the lids, which I love for if you need to make ahead or you just have leftovers or you just don't use it all. You just pop that lid on and you are good to go. So check these out. I think you guys are gonna love them just as much as I do.